Good morning students. Today in English we will revise capital cursive alphabets A, B, C, D and small alphabets A, B, C, D. Let's start. First of all, you have to write here today's date, May 14, 2021. Let's start writing. Start from second line. Capital cursive A. Capital cursive A. A for apple, A for ant. Phonic sound of A is A. Phonic sound of A is A. Next line. Capital cursive A. Capital cursive A. Students, don't pick up the pencil until you complete the alphabet. Capital cursive A. Next, capital cursive B. Start from first line. Then move back, upside, capital cursive B. B for ball, B for bat. Phonic sound of B is B, B. Phonic sound of B is B. Start from first line, capital cursive B. Speak with me. Capital cursive B. Capital cursive B. Next, capital cursive C. C for cat, C for cup. Phonic sound of C is K, K. Let's start. Start from second line. Capital cursive C. Capital cursive C. Capital cursive C. Capital cursive C. Next, capital cursive D. D for dog, D for doll, D for dots. Phonic sound of D is D, D. Phonic sound of D is D. Start from first line, then move back. Capital cursive D. 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 Students, next page we will revise small cursive A, B, C, D. First of all, you have to write here today's date and start writing small cursive A. Start from third line. Make small curve, then move back. Small cursive A. Again, small cursive A. Small cursive A. Small cursive A. small cursive A, small cursive A, small cursive B. Start from third line. Small cursive B, small cursive B, small cursive B, small cursive B. Next alphabet, small cursive C. Small cursive C. Start from third line. Make small curve, then move back. Small cursive C. Don't pick up the pencil until you complete the alphabet. Okay? Small cursive C. Small cursive C. Next, small cursive D. Make small curve, then move back, then upside and down. Small cursive D. 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 Thank you.